Tremosa i Balcells. Bardzo proszę.
Moltes gràcies, senyor president. Dear colleagues, the Catalan Liberal Party that I represent fully supports the process of Kosovo's accession to the EU. I would like to remind you that while we are in this Parliament discussing the enlargement of the EU, there are 5 European countries that have not yet recognized Kosovo as a new independent state. One of these countries is Spain. I would like to demand all the European institutions to keep the pressure on Spain to recognize Kosovo's independence. The EU cannot accept this incredible democratic deficit within its memberships. I also want to welcome that Montenegro is making steps towards European integration after its independence in 2006. I thank the European Union for being always respectful towards freedom and democracy. Moltes gràcies.
Dziękuję bardzo. Następna mówczyni to pani poseł Ines Cristina Zuber. Bardzo proszę.
Obrigada, Sr. Presidente. Sempre o referimos e a realidade demonstra-o. A declaração unilateral de independência da província sérvia do Kosovo foi um acontecimento de extrema gravidade e